You can expect to pay higher electricity bills for the next 3 months if you're a customer of SP Group. It's raising its electricity tariffs for households by an average of 8.1%. Now, this means those living in 4-room HDB flats can expect to fork out an average of $8.25 more each month. This is excluding GST. About half of Singapore's households get their electricity from SP Group. The utilities company says rising global gas and oil prices worsened by the conflict in Ukraine is behind the increase. It will increase its tariffs from July to September to 30.17 cents per kilowatt hour. That's the highest in about 14 years. Electricity tariffs have been rising since April last year. But one energy analyst suggests that oil markets are stabilizing and the worst may be over.
We've seen that the domestic costs of producing electricity in the last 3 months, although average across the months has remained high, it is beginning to move downwards. And this is an optimistic marker that we may be able to see at least a stop in the increase of the tariff. And if we manage to get all of the conditions right, hopefully we'll start to see a decline.
The gas tariff for households also going up in the next quarter. Gas retailer City Energy says it's increasing its tariffs by 6.6% to 23.09 cents per kilowatt hour. So let's take a closer look at how fast Singapore's utility prices have been rising in recent years. Now, SP Group's announcement of an 8.1% electricity tariff increase for July to September is the latest in a series of price hikes. Tariffs have been going up in the last few quarters. This quarter, customers have been forking out nearly 28 cents per kilowatt hour. Now, this is compared to about 25 cents in Q1. But compared to last January, that's an increase of 22% or 5 cents more per kilowatt hour. Electricity tariffs have been generally rising even before the pandemic hit. But in the 2 years before COVID-19, they've not exceeded 25 cents per kilowatt hour. That is, until the start of this year. It's a similar story for gas tariffs. Take a look at the past 18 months over here. Prices have climbed steadily at approximately 1 cent per kilowatt each quarter. And with fears that the supply situation could continue to deteriorate, market watchers are expecting turbulent times ahead.